Boy, February classroom management can feel heavy than any other month. And that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. By this time of the year in February, many teachers are carrying a really quiet load. The routines are established, the behaviors are familiar, the decision making never really stops though. February isn't light, it's really full. Because we've got special days, which are layered into regular routines. We've got assessments that are going on. We've got, in my school, we had professional development twice a week. Classrooms are often expected to show learning to families and the wider community. At least that's the way it was in my school. That's a lot of cognitive and emotional work. So here's the quick win I want you to offer you today. February doesn't need new systems. If you're feeling it's overwhelmed, don't implement new systems. It needs fewer decisions. So when your routines are predictable, your classroom carries more of the work and you don't have to hold everything in your head. So if February feels heavy, that doesn't mean you're failing. It means the load is real. And when you reduce friction, even just a little bit, your calm will start to return, both in yourself and in your classroom, because that translates into the classroom. So toward the end of my career, February became one of the months that showed me what my classroom really could already do. I'm Marian from Engaging Curiosity, and I support teachers in building calm, predictable classrooms that don't require carrying everything alone. In the next video, I want to talk about what February actually reveals about your classroom and why this month is often misunderstood because we feel and focus on the heaviness. So, if February feels full, not fragile, that might be telling you something important. And I'm going to explain what that's all about in my next video. Find the link to my next video pinned in the next comment, the first comment, not the next comment. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.